Hey friends, TUXX here. If you guys have followed the channel for a while, upon occasion, maybe especially like on my Instagram and stuff, and that'd be either TUXX Toys or TUXX Reviews, I post pictures of like things around the house, things like that, maybe worth checking out. But one thing you might have noticed is that in this household, we have pet birds, okay? We have several pet birds, and they really do some cute things. But one thing that does happen is with plastic food and water bowls, eventually they kind of break, you know, that you have to replace them. And so this is one which I've heard really good things about. This is the RONYOUNG two-piece bird bowl, okay, from Amazon. I will have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? But this is something viewers have pointed out to me, and I wanted to check out myself. This is how it comes from Amazon, in kind of a plastic wrap here. And, you know, it almost looks like there's more than two of them, but I guess it is two. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Just a quick video here for people with birds, little burbs. Let's see here. If you have birds, I'd be curious what kind of birds you have. And let me go ahead and pull this out. There we go. Very tightly packed. In fact, sometimes you hear in the background, if you hear a noise, that's probably a bird here in the media room cooing. All right, so it comes with a bonus item. It comes with a very cute little, like it's a food scooper, so that's good. So you can scoop some fresh food in there. And then these look really nice. Wow, these are like commercial grade. This is what you see in like pet stores. It's metal and has a butterfly clasp. So what makes these really cool and unique, if I can get out of the plastic, is the fact that you can remove them from the little tray. So this here is what you put in your cage, okay? And it has a little butterfly here, so you can easily, you know, get this on and off. So very cool, very easy to replace. And unlike plastic ones, we got to like press into the bars that break in time. This probably will not break in time, actually. So that's really cool. And then inside here, you have a very washable little metal bowl. So very cool. You can see stainless steel, very easy to clean. And then this is basically, once you have this in the cage, that just kind of pops in like that. Okay, just very simple. And when it comes time to fill it, you can just pop this out and this stays in the cage. So I'm digging it. You have two. You have one for water, one for food, I guess. Or you can do two water bowls if you have multiple birds, or two food bowls, or you can get a whole bunch of these if you want. But they're not terribly expensive, honestly. You know, this type of thing where this could actually make your bird care easier because it's so quick and easy to change these bowls, okay? So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. I just wanted to show them off real quick. This is a great solution for birds, and it'll make your bird time even more special, okay? All right, guys, again, a link in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.